Welcome to the NCRW 2018 Assignment Instructions tutorial. This video will briefly explain how and where to find the NCRW 2018 assessment document, how to complete the document, and how to submit your final assessment for evaluation. Step 1. Download the NCRW assessment document by typing ncrw.pascentral.net/NCRW Assessment 2018.pdf into your internet browser. Alternatively, send an email to admin@pasacademy.co.za requesting a copy of the assessment document for 2018. The PDF document contains 4 assessments, each in the form of an action plan. In the document, there is a chapter for radio management, marketing, journalism, and accounting. Step 2. In the document, choose the correct action plan to complete based on the workshop that you attended. The scope of these action plans were discussed with delegates during the training workshops held in February. Print out only the chapter that contains your field of assessment. Complete your assessment. Answers need to be filled directly into the question book. Please make sure that you spend the time to answer as thoroughly as possible and make sure that your personal details are filled into the relevant spaces. After completing your written assessment, please scan and email the completed document to admin@pasacademy.co.za or fax to 086 660 9960. When do I get my certificate of completion? After you have submitted your assignment, it will be assessed within 5 working days. You will be notified via email or SMS if your assessment has been successful. Students that successfully complete and pass their evaluations will receive a PDF copy of their certificates upon completion via email. Hard copies of certificates will also be available from the NCRW offices in Bloemfontein. All questions or queries can be sent to admin@pasacademy.co.za or phone Mr. Phakiso Tsatsane at 051 430 9650. The following steps only applies to learners that would like to submit their assessments onto the online learning platform. If you have registered on the online platform, the NCRW 2018 assessment document is also available to download from your dashboard under the NCRW 2018 assessment course on pasmoodle.pascentral.net. Remember, you would have needed to register onto the learning platform. Good luck!